Okay, my mice love this little thing. I got it at a thrift store. You know, see how they squeeze right in there. And unlike that wheel, this wheel, or that, they can't throw themselves out of this. If you notice, I got 2 in here right now. They're running away. They absolutely love this thing. I can get as many as 4 mice in this thing. And I'd love to have another one for them. See how fast they're just running? They can just fly in this thing. And yeah, I want to buy another one, but it has no markings on it. And like I was saying, I bought it at a thrift store. It's fully enclosed. So it's got little like rabbit things on it, but that's all I know. You know, so they love it. And the big thing is they can run as fast as they want in this thing and just fly. And they won't go flying off because these little things, and it's also quiet. Here, listen. Hear how quiet that is? It's got no bearings or anything. But I would like to see how it's got an opening. But they absolutely love it. When you get 3 or 4 of them, they try to squeeze in. But here, what? Come on, go ahead. All right, watch her. She's gonna get in real fast. She's gonna try to tell him she wants in. Oh. She can stop the wheel. No, she gave up. You gonna go for it? That's my old male. He wants in. He has trouble getting his butt in sometimes. See how he just squeezed right in there? Now he can run away. Now we're going to get 3 of them here. 2. And, oh, she wants in. Right over. She wants in. She's telling him she wants in. And, almost. You going to squeeze in there? There we go. Got 3 in there. So they love this little thing. And they're all running away. And, of course, they have trouble keeping pace with each other. 2 usually can keep pace. 3 or 4, you know. But they absolutely love this thing. So, none of these are being used. Yes, I'm talking. So, yeah. But I'd like to buy another one. As far as I know, hi girls. As far as I know, it doesn't have any markings on it. It just has these little rabbit things. And that's the only markings I have. So yeah. Hi. But I'd like to buy another one if I can find out what it is.